Hello everyone, my name is Ruth. I'm from class 10-5. Now, I tell you about Windows. Windows 1.0. Windows 1.0 was released in November 1985, at which time it was competing with Apple's operating system. However, as a result, this version of Windows only gained little popularity. This cannot be denied, considering that Windows 1.0 is not a complete operating system. This version simply extends MS-DOS by providing several components such as calculator, calendar, card file, clipboard, viewer, clock, control pane, notepad, paint, reverse, terminal, and write. Windows 2.0. Windows 2.0, then in December 1987, Microsoft released Windows 2.0. Of course, by making improvement to the user interface and memory management. It's not surprising that Windows 2.0 is more popular than the previous version. Windows 2.0 also introduced more advanced keyboard shortcuts and took advantage of expanded memory. Windows 3.0. Windows 3.0, which was released in 1990, where virtual memory and virtual device drivers could be loaded, allowing Windows to share devices between multitasking DOS applications. Windows 3.0 was the first version of Microsoft Windows to achieve widespread commercial success, even selling 2 million copies in its first 6 months because in the version, Windows display improvements to the user interface. Windows 95. In this version of Windows 95, Microsoft introduced support for 32-bit system that can be multitasking. Apart from that, it also provides a play and play feature and a file name length of up to 255 characters, plus a redesigned object-oriented user interface. So, it's not surprise Windows 95 was a major commercial success for Microsoft. Windows 98. Followed by the launch of the previous version, Windows 98 was introduced on June 25, 1998. In the case Microsoft made quite a lot of developments, among which were support for USB device, ACPI, hibernation, and support for multi-monitor configuration. Additionally, Windows 98 also includes integration with Internet Explorer 4 via Active Desktop. Meanwhile, Windows 98 Second Edition at Internet Explorer 5.0 and Windows Media Player 6.2. Windows ME. Windows ME or Millennium Edition, September 14, 2000. Microsoft released Windows ME, which was the last version of DOS-based Windows. The advantages that stand out in this version are faster boot times, expand multimedia functionality or Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, and digital camera, system file protection, and system recovery. Despite this, Windows ME faced criticism for its speed and instability, along with hardware compatibility issues and the removal of real-mode DOS support. In fact, Windows ME is considered one of the worst operating systems Microsoft has ever released. Windows XP. Windows XP was released on October 25, 2001. This Windows was introduced with a change promised by Microsoft, which will provide better performance than its DOS-based predecessor. Windows XP also introduced a recent user interface, multimedia feature, networking, Internet Explorer 5, and Microsoft NetPassport service integration, as well as remote help functionality. Windows Vista. Windows Vista, after going through a long development process, Microsoft finally reset Windows Vista on November 30, 2006 for volume licensing. In Windows Vista itself, there are various features provided, for example, a redesigned cell, technical change, and security feature. Windows 7.0. Windows 7.0 in 2009, Windows 7.0 was released by Microsoft with various improvements. In contrast to Windows Vista, which introduced a number of new features, Windows 7.0 focused more on improvement to the Windows line, of course, with the aim of being compatible with applications and hardware that are compatible with Windows Vista. This version has multi-touch support, the redesigned framework, home networking system, and performance improvements. Windows 8.0. Windows 8.0 is the successor to Windows 7.0, where Microsoft introduced this version generally on October 26, 2012. There are significant changes in Windows 8.0, considering that the user interface is based on Microsoft Metro design language. The change can make users comfortable in interacting with the system. Another improvement lies in integration with cloud service and other online platforms. For example, OneDrive, Windows Store, etc. A year later, Windows 8.0 was updated, named Windows 8.1. In this version, OneDrive integration is carried out to pair as well as improvement to the previous version. Windows 10. Windows 10 Microsoft announced on September 30, 2014 that Windows 10 is the successor the Windows 8.1. There are surprising changes in the version, considering the return of the Start menu, virtual desktop system, and the ability to run Windows Store apps. Don't forget, Windows 10 comes with a faster, sleeker, minimal, and modern appearance, so it is easier for users to port Windows 10. XGIS is easy use. Not a few users have realized that this operating system is very easy to use, considering that Windows provides an interface for users that is not at all confusing. Moreover, if the user wants to switch version of Windows, there are almost the difference that make it difficult for the user to operate it. There are many software options available for Windows, starting from Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Blender, etc. This is because Windows has caught the world market for computer operating system and software. Support for hardware, not only software. Almost all hardware manufacturers offers support for the Windows version. Users may encounter this when they want to go to a computer hardware store. Plug and play feature. With this feature, most hardware can detect an abnormality. This means two users do not need to install the hardware manually, but user can use it immediately once initiated. For example, keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. Finally, high recursive requirement. To be able to install the Windows operating system, of course, the user must provide a computer or laptop with high RAM storage capacity, sufficient hard drive space, and a good graphics card to get maximum system performance. High price. Of course, computer users already know that all the products that Microsoft releases are not free, starting from Microsoft Office to the Windows operating system, which has a paid license that users must purchase before using it. Close searches. In solving a problem in Windows, it will be much easier for users and supporters to know what actually happened. Unfortunately, only Microsoft has full access to the software source code. This is different from the Linux operating system, which is open source, where users can freely access log files to find out the source of the problem. Virus attack. Rumor has it that Windows has a high number of hacker attacks, so it's not surprising that users protect their data from virus attack with antivirus software. To use this external device, users must pay a monthly fee.